Hi guys, a huge welcome to our Tribal Wellness private members portal. I want to show you around so you know how to get the most out of all of the resources that we have available for you. So I'm going to share my screen so that you can just make sure that you're getting the most out of it and you know where to find everything as well. So you should have been logged in and come to this start here section. The first place to come is where we've got all of our amazing starter guides for you. We've got an optional cleanse that you can do when you first get started. So you can download all of the shopping guides, the food journals here in our start here section. Then you get to dive into everything else. And depending on your health goals and what you're looking to create, we've got lots of resources here for you. So if you're stuck on recipes, you can dive into our recipes section. And there's amazing Tribal Wellness approved recipes that everyone in your family is going to love, all around whole foods, plant-based, getting as much nutrition into your body as you possibly can. So for example, we've got lunchbox ideas, we've got yummy desserts, which I'm a big fan of. We've got lots of different ideas, and sometimes it's nice to shake things up a little bit. So all you need to do is scroll through. You can also search for particular ingredients and things using the search icon up the top. Dive into one of the recipes and it's all there for you to be able to make and enjoy, which is pretty cool. The other great thing, we've got our workout area where we're constantly adding new exercises from our team, from workouts to Pilates to yoga to stretching. So you can dive into those. They're little YouTube clips that you can do anywhere from 4 minutes to 10 minutes. We're all time poor, so it's great to show you how you can actually get the most out of that from home. You don't necessarily need a gym membership or a personal trainer to have the fitness and body that you desire and deserve. We've also got our webinars in here. We host themes every single month focusing on different areas and elements of health. So you can dive into our recorded ones from the past, and we're always going to be letting you know of our upcoming events, which you can dive into here as well. We've also got our health hacks. So just different little things that you can be doing to make up changes and upgrades in your family, your pantry, and your lifestyle. So that's always getting updated as well. Now, don't forget, we also have our private Facebook group where you can have all of your questions answered in there. Just wanted to make sure that you know exactly where everything is, how to get the most out of our private members portal. And we look forward to seeing you have incredible results and possibly being one of our success stories as well. The difference that we've seen in families all around the world is just incredible. And if you want to find out more about how our program and our incredible products have helped so many different people in so many different reasons, dive into our success stories as well. Again, welcome to the program. We're super excited to help you and your family and look forward to seeing you becoming the best version of yourself. Have an amazing day.